Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and this is a daily rant video, and I wanted to do it on Friday, but I just couldn't find the time. And it has to do with the outage of so many websites this week, and all that has to do with the fact that it was a Google Cloud error. And I would just say that my daily rant, or my rant today, goes with the fact that there are way too many big players that are so important that when they go down, they bring with them, half of the web. And this is unacceptable. Amazon Web Services is the biggest of all. If this goes down, the number of websites, the number of services that just don't work anymore, it will be tremendous. And this is something that shouldn't be. There shouldn't be. We often say that there always needs to be failback. There needs to be some way to, say if it doesn't work here, we can move on to this other service quickly, and we're on. A couple of minutes, we're back online. With these services that control everything, well, you know what? You just are stuck, and if they go down for 8 hours, you go down for 8 hours. Once again, this is something that I don't like. I wish there would be a lot more importance to others also, so that there, would always be a fail-safe if something happens. Amazon Web Services is a big one. Of course, Google Cloud is the other one, and this is the one that actually had a problem this week. Google Cloud, and of course Azure, which is also a big one. And this one is another example. Microsoft Azure and Microsoft services go down so often lately that it's another example that putting all your eggs in the same basket is a bad idea. So hopefully companies will eventually learn from this, because it's not normal that one service goes down and half of the web is unavailable suddenly. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.